Welcome to Western's Cavalier Campus Shop. Here we offer a diverse selection of clothing, electronics, supplies, and gifts to ensure that you're well prepared for class and ready to express your school pride.
Whether you're getting ready for the first day of class and need basic supplies, or you left your pencil at home, we've got you covered. From pens, pencils, backpacks, headphones, and more, we've got everything you need for daily success.
Our shop features a wide array of clothing in various sizes and designs, perfect for showing off your Western Technical College spirit in a way that suits your own personal style. This year, we're excited to introduce our new sports-specific clothing for parents, fans, and athletes. Come visit us for the next big sporting event.
Our knowledgeable campus shop staff is here to assist you with any questions you may have, including eCampus online textbook ordering. Stop by in person for a walkthrough of the textbook ordering process, or visit one of our conveniently located kiosks found around campus.
Excuse me, you mind helping me with this for a second?
Sure thing.
Kiosks like this are available after hours just outside of the campus shop as well as in the Welcome Center. Please don't hesitate to give us a call or email if you have any questions. We would love to help you.
We hope to see you soon at the Cavalier Campus Shop.